Deviled eggs recipes. Check out these 4 recipes. Number 1. Clean eating deviled eggs. Ingredients: 4 large eggs, hard-boiled and shells removed, 2 tablespoons of clean mayo, half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, half a teaspoon of yellow mustard, no sugar added, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of paprika for garnish. Instructions: slice hard-boiled eggs in half lengthwise, remove the yolks, add to a small mixing bowl and mash with a fork. Add the remaining ingredients, except paprika, and stir until creamy. Evenly divide mixture inside the cooked egg whites. Sprinkle with paprika and refrigerate until ready to serve. Number 2. Pesto deviled eggs. Ingredients: 6 eggs large, half a cup of pesto, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Directions: to cook the hard-boiled eggs, use the saucepan method, Instant Pot or air fryer. See below for making hard-boiled eggs in an Instant Pot or air fryer. For the stovetop method, place the eggs in a saucepan and fill with water and bring to a boil over high heat. As soon as the water is at a roiling boil, turn off the heat and cover tightly. Let stand for 12 minutes. Transfer the eggs to an ice bath and leave until completely cooled. Peel off the shells and cut eggs in half lengthwise. Remove the yolks and place in a small bowl. Add pesto and olive oil to the yolks and mash with mortar and pestle or food processor until smooth and combined. Scoop or pipe into the egg whites. Number 3. Spicy keto deviled eggs without mayo. Ingredients: 6 large eggs hard-boiled, 1 avocado pitted, peeled, and diced, strips no sugar bacon cooked and chopped, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 habanero pepper minced, a mint for mild spiciness, 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder or 1 clove of fresh minced, 1/8 teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper, add more to increase spiciness, 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt, add more if needed, and 1 small jalapeno sliced, optional. Instructions: remove yolks from hard-boiled eggs and place into the mixing bowl. Add avocado, 2/3 of the bacon, lime juice, habanero pepper if using, garlic powder, ground cayenne, and salt. Mash the egg yolk and avocado mix until it is well combined. Pipe or spoon the mixture into egg whites. Top each with a jalapeno slice if desired. Number 4. Maple bacon deviled eggs. Ingredients: 6 large eggs, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 5 slices of bacon, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, and paprika for serving. Chopped chives for serving. Directions: place eggs in a large saucepan and cover with cold water and the baking soda. Set pan over medium-high heat and bring water to a boil. Turn off the heat, cover pan with a lid, and let sit for 11 minutes. Drain, rinse eggs under cold water, and peel. Meanwhile, arrange the bacon in a medium skillet and cook over medium until crisp on the first side about 6 minutes. Reduce heat to medium-low and brush bacon with maple syrup. Flip and brush the other side, then continue cooking until crisp on second side. Transfer to a plate and let it cool completely. Half the eggs lengthwise and scoop the yolks into a medium bowl, then mash the yolks with the back of a fork. Stir mayonnaise, vinegar, and mustard into yolks until smooth. Crumble 3 slices of cooked bacon and stir into the egg mixture. Season with salt and pepper. Using a small cookie scoop, scoop the mixture into each egg. Crumble the remaining 2 slices of bacon over the eggs. Dust with paprika and sprinkle with chives before serving.